This is a super quick video on how to run the Eclypsium PowerShell script for the Gigabyte affected motherboards that they were installing a backdoor on. So this is a list of all the motherboards that they were installing it on, which is super long. In order to run this script, check to see if your motherboard is affected and whether you need to actually update your BIOS UEFI or whether you are not affected and decide that you just don't want to update it, whatever. Here's how to know if you have that security risk. Type in Eclypsium Gigabyte supply chain risk into Google or into some search engine or browser address bar. Go to this one that says supply chain risk from Gigabyte App Center Backdoor. Right here, you'll get this web page. Okay, when we're on this web page, you're going to have a PowerShell script that comes from GitHub, and you're going to also, real quick, before you can run this PowerShell script, you're going to need to change your PowerShell execution policy. So go ahead and click on that first link right there, the PowerShell execution policy. If you need to figure out what your execution policy is, go ahead and type this one here, get execution policy. You don't even need to scroll down. I'm going to take you right through it. So let's go PowerShell. I'm going to run PowerShell ISI. Cool. Give it a second. I'm going to type get execution policy. Mine is unrestricted because I've already unrestricted it. Yours will probably say restricted. If it says restricted, go back, type set execution policy, or copy that, Control V, set execution policy, or type it in there if you prefer to do it that way, and then type unrestricted. Bam. Hit enter. It's going to come up with a warning. It's going to let you know, do you want to actually let this thing run scripts? Yes to all. Now we have enabled ourselves to be able to run a script. So now we need to get the script to run. So we're going to go back to the Eclypsium page. We're going to click on the link here for the PowerShell script from GitHub. We're going to hit code. We're going to download the zip. We're going to leave it here in the downloads folder. Give it a second to download. It's right here. Open the folder. Extract it. Give it a second to extract. Okay, we have the script here. We can drag and drop it in, or we can just do file, open. The script is right here from our downloads. Got it in our Gigabyte main. There's our script. Go ahead up here. File, run. Boom. Do I actually want to run this script? It's going to give us another warning. Yeah, I'm going to run it once. There's the results. Now you'll be able to figure out if you're actually affected. Mine is not affected because I'm running this on an Asus motherboard, but I have a lot of computers to go test this out on. Now, if you just want to check if your motherboard is on the list of affected models that it could possibly be, go ahead and click that link there. Here's all the motherboard models that could be affected. So I've got a lot to on. Hope this helps someone. Have a great day.